Dominica, you guys. Just left from Hook and Reel and on Elmo Park. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. This is my first time ordering from them. And first, let me show you. When I open the bag, they have all these gloves. So they prepared. I say that. It's all right here, and they got napkins and all that good stuff. So let me show you guys how it look in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up so we can see together, because I have no idea. This is my first time ever ordering from them. I normally just make my own or go to my local supermarket and just get crab legs. So let's just see. Ooh, so there it is. Ooh, it looks so delicious. Oh, so it does, it's in a bag, but they just put it in a pan. So it looks like this. Ooh, it looks so good, don't it? Got that corn, crab legs, sausage, eggs, and all that good stuff in here. So it looks really good. Yeah, so that's how it look right now. Let me put on the gloves so I could dig in. Okay. Let me see what I want to get out of here. Gotta get your gloves, can't forget it. Get some shrimp. Okay. And it's still really hot. Get an egg. Oh, and it have broccoli too. Gotta eat healthy. You know. And I like that they already cut and cleaned them. I don't know if y'all can see that. They already cleaned them. So the only thing I have to do is just take off the shell. Okay. And it has a tube of corn in here. So I'm gonna get one of this corn. Okay. Let's get some of this crab off this thing. Oh, look how good that looks. Look how good that looks. Take it in. Take it in. That looks good, right? Okay. We'll just start with this piece. We'll start with that. Now let me get something so I could put the sauce separate. Okay. So I'm going to get a spoon to pick up the oil. I mean the sauce and all that stuff. Okay, yeah, got potatoes. Let me get some potatoes in here too. Potatoes, egg, shrimp, broccoli, all that good stuff, sausages. This is called the Elmo Park Special. For those of the girls that know. Okay. All right. So let me just move this to the side. And then we can sit. And we can show you all. Okay. So before I end this video, let me do the taste test. Oh, sausage is good. So this is the garlic butter sauce. It's really good. It took 10 minutes. Okay. Well, actually, I've been wanting this for the longest time. So I'm so glad that hubby took me to get it. Everything's really nice. And I got mild because my husband and the kids, they don't like spicy stuff, so I got mild. My bad, y'all. So that way we all can eat it. And plus, sometimes, you know, when you get that spicy stuff, it's not good because you're the only one that could eat it. So yeah, it tastes good. Let me taste one of the shrimp before I let y'all go. Wait, let me taste this potato. Mm-hmm. Alright. Let me get a napkin and put this stuff. Alright, so let me try one of these shrimp. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, before I go, make sure you guys go check out my videos that I posted. The vacation video. Me and my husband in DR celebrating my birthday. So make sure you guys go check it out. Show it some love. And all that good stuff. We had a great time. Okay. The resort that we stayed was very, very nice. Very clean. The food was good. It was all inclusive. So as much liquor as your body can handle. They have food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And all that good stuff. And we went horseback riding. It was so much fun. It was so funny when I got off the horse, because we rode the horse for an hour. So when I got off the horse, my leg was so cramped I couldn't move my legs. It was so funny. But it was a great experience, and I really enjoyed, honestly. That was something very fun for us to do, and I'm glad that my husband planned that for me, because I really enjoyed it, and we had a good time. So, all in all, DR, Punta Cana, sorry. It was very beautiful, and I would so love to go back again, us and the kids, a family thing, you know, because we had a good time. Yep. So make sure you guys go check out my vlog. Part 1 is up. Part 2 will be up soon. So go check out part 1. Show it some love. Like, share, all that good stuff. Subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can be notified when I post. So I'm gonna show you guys how my seafood look one more time. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. All right, I'll be back. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna show y'all one more view. Let me take the spoon out. One more view before I leave. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh, so yummy, right? And it come like that. Got all this delicious stuff inside. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in even more further, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay blessed, divas. Bye.